Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. This is Friday, January 20th. I hope you had a wonderful week and that you're looking forward to the weekend. Things are good here. It's actually Thursday on the 19th. I usually film the day before, so I have time to upload and edit because sometimes that takes a while. So let's get into it. I don't have a whole lot this week. I do have some examples of using some of the products that I made, so I'm looking forward to showing you those. And yeah, so first I have this item. Actually, it's 4 different items. These are from the Dollar Tree. You might recognize them. They've had these before, but these are great size storage bins and they come with different color handles. I got 2 of the pink and 2 of the aqua. They also had gray, but I like these colors. And as you can see, if you haven't seen these before, they're a really nice size. So great for storing embellishments, for projects. I'm planning to put like current projects in here that I'm working on, and just they stack nicely. So I was really happy to find these again. And these were like just in a cardboard box in like, you know, the middle of one of the aisles. I also picked up some more of those jumbo craft hearts. I uploaded a tutorial on how to cover them with fabric, so I wanted to do another one. I got 2, but I just created one more so far. I used some of my Dianna Marcum fabric, and I love this fabric, so I only will use it for special occasions. And I thought this was a perfect opportunity to use this, and I plan to leave this out in my decor all year round. I actually have a Dianna Marcum button that I had gotten from, I think from eBay, and it matches perfectly with the fabric. I used some Hobby Lobby ribbon, glued that onto a pin and stuck it into the foam heart. I used some trim that I had from one of the Michaels bundles, and this was some fabric that I had gotten at Joann's a while back, and I just thought it went nicely with the Dianna Marcum gingerbread fabric. So super cute, right? Oh, these are so fun to make. If you haven't tried them yet, go back and look at my video on how to make them because they're really easy, no sewing involved. And thank you to everyone who shared pictures of the ones that they've made with me. I really like seeing what you guys come up with. They're beautiful. So there's that. And I forgot to show this jar last week because I had it out in my kitchen, but I got this jar at Dollar Tree. They have the exact same one at Hobby Lobby, but it's smaller. And it's $5.99 before the sale. So you could get a bigger one at Dollar Tree for $1.25. So that's one of their great deals. And I filled this up with some of their marshmallow hearts that I, also got at Dollar Tree. This would look so cute with conversation hearts in there too. And I wanted to put a ribbon on here, so I'm going to do that before I bring it back upstairs because it has this perfect space here under, like on the neck for a ribbon. So I will do that. But yeah, I forgot to show you last week, so I wanted to bring that down. All right. That is it from Dollar Tree. Home Goods is something else that I forgot to show last week. I got these picks. They were right in the front. Sometimes they have some seasonal things right when you walk in. That's where these were. So these are Sweetheart Wood Picks by Party Partners for fun and festive entertainment, 24 count, and they're wood picks, obviously, with little wood hearts that have all the Valentine's sayings on them. And this was $4.99. So obviously I'm not using them for food. I'm going to use them in my paper crafting. I thought, some like banners on the top or on the, middle or something would look super cute. So I had never seen these before and thought they'd be fun for crafting. And then at Target, I found these in the dollar spot. They're just wood hearts, and it comes with 8 of them in 4 different colors. Well, 1 natural and then white and pink and red. This was only $3. I thought it would have been $5, but yeah, I hadn't seen these before. So these will be perfect just to, put among your Valentine decorations. That's what I'm planning to do with them. I guess you could use them in crafting too, but yeah, I'll use them in my decor. So that was it from Target, the dollar spot. I did get an order, well, not an order, a design team package in from Adorn It. And they have a new release out that has snowmen, and then they just have so many cute Dianna Marcum stamps on their site. You should go check it out if you like her stamps, because they have a lot available, a lot of different kinds. So I got this one that is the peppermint pie stamp, and I don't have this in a woodblock stamp, but I was happy to get it in photopolymer, and this is a nice big size too. Sorry it's a little blurry because I didn't put it on perfectly after I used it. I'll show you what I made with this. And it does come with the 3 complimentary stamps as well. There's candy canes bundled, a little candy cane or peppermint candy, and then a peppermint heart too. So very, very cute stamp set. And I stamped it out and colored it. So wanted to show you what it looked like. Isn't that cute? So I obviously haven't really done anything with it yet, but I did want to show you what it looks like stamped and colored. And then I used 2 shades of red for the candy cane, and then I used red and pink for the little candy or peppermint circles, peppermint candies, and then I used the pink like on the border as well. So it was really quick to color up. I used alcohol markers. And yeah, so there's that. And then I did do the individual stamps as well, and just colored them quickly with some red marker. So really cute. Glad to have them in my stash. And the next one, hold on one second. Okay, I just had to get the woodblock stamp too. This is the next one, and it's the snow ice cream. And I do, like I said, I have the woodblock stamp of that, so I wanted to compare them. I'm so happy that this is in photopolymer too. I did luck out and got the woodblock one on, I think it was eBay or Etsy a while back, and I got it for a really good price. But yeah, it's nice that this is available too. And it comes with these cute little ice cream snowmen too. There's one with the ice cream cone on his head, and then this one has the snowman ice cream in the cone itself, and then cute little snowflake stamps as well. So so happy to get this one. And so yeah, this is the woodblock stamp. So I think the photopolymer one is a little bit bigger. Yeah, you could tell it's a little bit bigger. So easier to read the recipe when you stamp it out. So let me show you what I made with that. I made a card, and I think it came out really, really cute. Oops. So this is the card that I made. How adorable, right? I just couldn't resist stamping these guys out and coloring them. So I stamped them out with Tuxedo Black Memento ink and Fussy Cut, obviously, the snowman, which was easy to do. I used those new scissors that I picked up from Amazon that Jill had shown. Hi, Jill, if you're watching. These work great, by the way. So yeah, it was easy to fussy cut those guys. And then papers I used were just like various papers from different collections. And then the die that I used for this blue snowflake paper is from Surprise Creations. I've been using that die set a lot. It's a nesting set that has like the cool wonky stitching around it. And this was it's a little bit smaller than a 5x7 card. I always say that's a good thing about making your own cards. You can make them any size that you want. I wanted it to be bigger than an A2 because I wanted these guys to be able to fit on the side. So I just went with the size of this die and then just made a frame around it, and that's the size of my card. So I did some inking on the edges with I think it was no, it wasn't Uncharted Mariner. It was Cornflower Blue by Ranger ink. And I wanted it to match the blue paper in the background. And then the little clay snowflakes I used, those are from Michaels. A lot of us have this. They're Recollections Specialty Polyester Glitter. And they're snowflakes. So I used all the different colors. There's white and blue, and then the like aqua light blue color. I used some Nuvo drops on, just a sparkly Nuvo drop on the carrot nose and on the buttons, and the nose on this one too. And then I also used that on the snowflakes on the recipe and then in like the little closed circles of snow ice cream as well. I use Nuvo Drops for all the little dots. This is the Rudolph's Nose one from Nuvo Drops, and that's that same just sparkly one. And different alcohol markers to do the coloring. For the shading for the snowman, I just used a very light cool gray color that I find works really well for snowmen. It's that one, and it's by Master's Touch. A little bit more blue in there would be nice too, but I think it's fine with the gray, just gives it a shadow. And what else? Yeah, I guess that's it for the front of the card. On the inside, I cut out another die cut using that same die. This is a plaid paper from Gingham Christmas from Sam Poole. I used a couple of the snowflake stamps from the snow ice cream set from Dianna Marcum, and I like these two because they have little hearts on the inside. So what a cute little touch, right? And this paper is light enough that you can write on it and still see it without being distracted too much by the pattern. So that's my card. I hope you like it. I think it came out really cute. This will be perfect for like a winter birthday. That's what I was thinking. So that's it for my Adorn It projects. I will link those stamp sets down below. I checked them yesterday and they were still available. So I hopefully they're still available right now. So that's it for my haul. I know it was a short one this week. I had a much longer one last week, so that's how it usually goes, short then long. But yeah, I'm going to be busy this weekend. I'm actually getting a new washer and dryer, so that'll be fun. Actually, it'll be delivered on Saturday, so I am looking forward to that. The ones that I have right now are, let's see, 19 years old. We got them when we built our house, and they've worked great. And so I'm sad that they're not working great anymore, but I think they have served their purpose and they lasted a good long time. So anyway, that's my story of this weekend. Hopefully yours is just as exciting. And I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. I've got more design team projects for Scrap Diva Designs coming up, and lots of other good stuff that I have planned. So stick around. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And thank you so much to all of my subscribers. I truly appreciate you. And to all of my new subscribers, welcome, and thank you so much for being part of my channel. All right, everyone, that's enough rambling from me. I will be back soon. Have a wonderful weekend and take care. Bye, friends.